KOMAT'SU 146 PS. WB 146 PS. Backhoe. So you're gonna need some teeth, boy. The dentist out. Okay, I'm going to change the oil on 146 PS backhoe. There's the filter right there, and I got the pan down under now. See if there's anything, so I gotta get that wrench on there. Try to get that out. See, somewhere to put the old camera. Get that wrench on there. I got loose. Yeah, he's hard though. Come on. So, there you go. Now, not any oil. The leak. Out. Here it is. Well, not too bad. The filter. Out. 5W40. Gonna put that. Not sure how much it takes. Anyway. Put some in the filter. Fill them up. Oop, almost full. And rub a bit around the rim. To seal the oil. Seal the oil seal. I'll try to get that back in now. Without wasting it. Yeah, these are hard. There he goes. Okay, the filter's on. Out. Now, there's the drain plug right up there. And I got a 5 gallon right up there. I got a 5 gallon tub to catch the oil in, the whole stuff. Anyway, so we get at that now. I didn't use the pipe on the ratchet, I used the power bar and got the plug out. So, check the oil and see. Hard to get that plug out, man. If you had torqued in there, you would know, but it was, you know, anyway. She was almost full of oil because I checked it just about every day. There's the base pan plug right there, and no metallic stuff on it. All clear grease. So she's good to go. I had some job getting off though. Yep. Okay, right on the full mark. Now, warmed up. Anyway, out. That built right there seems like he's wobbly. I don't know what's going on. Anyway. Oil change 1441.5.